Selamat bergabung di acara Opening Ceremony Founders Camp Startup Studio Indonesia batch kedua.
Untuk dapat menciptakan startup yang berdaya saing, Indonesia membutuhkan talenta digital yang terampil dan berwawasan luas dalam mengembangkan kewirausahaan digital. Saya percaya bahwa keberhasilan akselerasi ekonomi digital suatu negara tergantung pada tingkat keberhasilan ekosistem startup dalam menjaga keberlangsungan mengembangkan bisnisnya secara konsisten.
In exact science, because especially at the early stage, typically at the early stage, there's very little data to even evaluate. So you're evaluating and coming up with a valuation of a company based on a really incomplete picture. So early stage venture investors, we care less about the valuation, we care more about the ownership percentage.
Dan memang butuh kebesaran hati untuk ada orang di dalam yang bilang, bro, you're falling in love with solution. Are we solving for the customer atau are we solving for you as the founder?
You don't need to get 100% data to make a decision. Kalau lu udah dapat 80%, to be honest, udah telat sih, Bung sih. So in making a decision as a founder itu, I think 50% you still need to have the data ya. 50% is coming from your gut and your vision. That set us apart ya as a founder compared to the others. Jadi don't need to wait until everything confirming gitu loh. Itu lu akan terlalu telat kalau begitu. Dan it may not never happen karena data juga belum tentu akurat kan.
Hubungan antara perusahaan dengan karyawan itu kan mirip dengan any type of relationship ya, dimana harus ada win-win solusinya gitu. Yang kita harus lihat itu ketika kita hire orang itu sebenarnya apa sih yang mereka mau dapetin dari kita, dari perusahaannya. Tentunya ada misalnya yang fokusnya cuma di duit doang. Intinya kalau dikasih gaji gede ya dia datang ke kita. Yang kedua itu mungkin mereka mau belajar sesuatu dari kita. Yang ketiga mungkin mereka pikir ini career path yang bagus. Knowingly bisa jadi cuma untuk jadi stepping stone aja. Mungkin gara-gara kita kasih mereka manager level atau VP level mereka pindah.
Ini ya, it looks good on our computer screen ya, in our mockups and so on. But what matters the most is, do people care about this? Do people give a damn in our product? Jadi it really comes down to these two things. Kita ngelihat orang butuhnya apa, dan kita ngelihat kita sanggupnya di mana. What is our strength gitu.
So for me, to build a product then 6 months gitu ya, then you don't even know whether it fits or not. I mean that's like a deal breaker.
Fund-nya masih ada, bisa di-deploy lah atau apa. So sometimes kalau reject, you get a lot of rejections ya. Ya jangan putus asa. Mungkin ya emang belum tentu cocok. Nah tapi di luar itu, you also need to ask, how do I compare gitu dengan ya my peers gitu. Karena semestinya dia tahu peers kamu itu performance levelnya udah sampai mana. Dan itu yang menurut saya yang benar-benar bernilai.
You need, before you think about revenue, you need to make sure that users love your product. Yeah. Now, do you feel like the team that you're already looking at that, like actually, you don't need to think about maybe all users love your product, but do you think you have 100 users really loving your product yet?
Be structured in terms of what you think you want to experiment on. What is a contour of what you want to explore, right? Your time is really compressed. You don't have a lot of time. Right? Your clock is running as soon as the money comes in. Right? So you got to be very disciplined in how many of these things you want to run at the same time. What are you looking for objectively to tell you if it's there or not?
For early startups in Southeast Asia is that they have this great idea and then they build it, but they haven't talked to a customer first. And by the time you try to sell it to a customer, you realize, oh, you're missing all these features, or this is not actually what they wanted.
Bilang kayak how is a company, a business assess kan? ada framework namanya yang 3P itu, people, potential market, and the product. Nah, kalau lu masih early stage, we can move out the product karena belum ada lah technically. Jadi boils down ke people sama potential market gitu. And I try to observe juga sih, maksudnya in the landscape of VC ini, there are VC, usually kalau VC itu berpikir pertama mereka sih biasanya sebenarnya punya a thesis gitu. Thesis, okay, what kind, karena kan VC at the end, the job of VC ngapain sih? The VC should invest, and then at a certain period of time, you actually need to create return for the people that put money in the VC.